I had to put down the camera to go through all this craziness. I guess I got about 50 meters left until I can get off this road. This is just totally crazy. Woo! Hi, I'm in Thailand today. We're here on a family vacation for a couple of weeks, and today is grocery shopping day. And since we live in a pretty small village called Mai Pim here in the province of Rayong, today I'm going to a small town called Ban Pe to do some shopping for tonight. So I thought I was gonna bring you along on this ride. It's about 20 kilometers each way, and the temperature is already around 35 degrees, even though it's just 10 o'clock in the morning. And maybe the most important thing of today is that today is Songkran here in Thailand, which is their new year, which is probably the biggest holiday of the whole year here in Thailand. And so you're gonna see a lot of kids and grown-ups with water guns and water hoses along the way. So I expect to get pretty wet during my ride today. So I think it's gonna be a pretty eventful ride. So tag along. I didn't bring any of my own bikes along for this trip. Instead I rented this mountain bike for about $2.50, I guess. Don't let the looks deceive you. While this bike looks pretty okay, it's mainly a piece of crap. It's been standing outside in the rain. The disc brakes are really rusty and wonky, so they keep making these noises all the time. So since we're in April, it's the peak of the durian season, as you can see behind me. All along the road I've cycled on today, I've felt this smell of durian, yeah, I don't really like the smell or the taste of durian, so well, I guess you have to live with it. The traffic situation here in Thailand isn't so bad. There are a lot of cars, but they drive reasonably slow. And as you can see, I've got a real wide shoulder here, about 2 meters or so. So the cars are really good at keeping the distance to you. So it's been a pleasant ride so far. And even though it's well above 30 degrees, it's still not crazy hot. I'm only about 100 to 150 meters away from the sea, so I get a nice breeze coming from the left here. And the terrain here in the Rayong province is super flat, so it's really easy cycling. Still haven't climbed a small hill or anything yet in about 10 kilometers. Just encountered the first small hill of the trip. Woo! Well, it's 11 in the morning, and since I'm not a coffee drinker, as some other people from Australia, I'll do the ice cream break now. So Thailand is a really affordable country to bike tour in. This ice cream cone and these two water balls ran me about $1. Wasn't so bad, they were pretty easy on me. Supermarket. So now I'm finally here at the supermarket, and first off I'm gonna visit the pharmacy to get some medication, and then I'm gonna go in and look for some food in the supermarket. So now I've done my shopping at the supermarket, and I'm heading back to my PIM. I looked if there was some other way I could take, so I didn't have to backtrack, but unfortunately the other road is a highway, so I'm gonna go on this road again to go through all of the festivities again, which takes quite an amount of time. So they're sneaky little ones. I didn't see that one little kid just snuck out from behind a tree and hello. Better watch out for him. Okay, I'm out of the worst part of the New Year's celebrations right now, and I kind of left the beach for a while now, and seems like I picked up a tailwind, although I wouldn't mind a headwind right now. Feels like everything is standing still. It's really super hot right now, so wind would be kind of welcome at this time. And I also wouldn't mind those kids splashing some water on me. I think they're a bit of afraid to splash some water on tourists, or maybe because I'm riding with my camera, so they're a bit of afraid of of splashing. So I'm halfway home again, only about 10 kilometers left. And I just bought a bag of pineapple for about $1, so I'm gonna start looking for a nice place by the beach to take a short snack break. Look at all these police officers. So there are usually these kind of checkpoints every 5 or 10 kilometers or so. I think I counted to at least 20 police officers back there, so don't know what they're doing really. Just stopping tourists on their motorbikes and collecting money, I guess. Okay, now I'm gonna get wet. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna pass that. Oh! Okay, I'm in big trouble now. These guys have seen me. So I think I'm gonna stay back here. There. Hello. Hello. Put down the camera to go through all this craziness. I guess I got about 50 meters left until I can get off this road. So I'm gonna put the camera back in its case again so I don't destroy it. This is just totally crazy. Woo! So I finally got off this way and I'm about 500 meters left until get back to our little house here. I'm just gonna say one thing. Thank God I've got these waterproof panniers. So I'm finally back again. 45 kilometers today. I ride for about 44 of those. And then I got really wet in the end. So thanks for riding along with me, and see you next time.